Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this eye look right here. I thought this would be super cute for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so I decided to go ahead and try a look and then to see if you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, I will definitely be making another one, hopefully doing something more natural and soft so that way everyone has a look. I know a lot of people don't like doing something like super glam, so I will be hopefully filming another Valentine's Day inspired tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this Valentine's Day look, then go ahead and keep on watching. I mean, like, I think I should just take it off and start over. Let's just try this. Let's dust some of the glitter off. Nope, it all came off. Okay, we're starting over. Cut. Alright, so I just wiped off everything that I had on because I did not like the look I tried doing earlier. So we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using the Morphe eyelid primer. I've never used an eyeshadow primer, so why not just start right now? I don't even know what an eyeshadow primer does. Like, you get it primes your eyes, but this one has no color to it, so like I put way too much on my hand. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette from Morphe. Oh my god. And I'm gonna use this one as my transition. So let's do that. Then we're gonna go in with this shade right here and use it on the crease. Yeah. I'm so like tired. I was like 30 minutes in with the other look. It just wasn't gonna happen. So I messed up. I tried doing a full cut crease and I've never tried that before, so I should probably practice before I actually film that, because based on the last look I had no idea what the hell I was doing and it was not cute. I can use this one. Let me swatch it first before I do that, because the last time I didn't swatch and then that's what happened. Why not? I kind of want to try like cutting the crease with makeup remover, like eye makeup remover. I've seen a lot of people do that. Let's try it. This video is just about trying stuff, you know? I should really plan out what I'm gonna film, like what look I'm gonna go for exactly, because the odds are not in my favor right now. Like, I kid you guys not, like, I was recording and the look was, I mean, I probably could have like saved it and made it look decent, but it's just too much glitter got everywhere and we're just not gonna do that. So I'm gonna go in with some makeup remover and cut the crease like that. Oh my god. Wait, is it adding product? I feel like I'm confused. Or is that just my skin? Don't know. But whatever. Oh no, that's my skin color. Okay, we're good. More in. Let's go more in with the pink. I think I got some makeup remover in my eye because it's kind of blurry. Gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. That was a fail. Did not spray that right. I'm gonna go in with Hi Ho from the Disney Collection ColourPop eyeshadow. It's in the Snow White one, and then just do that. Okay, that looks so much better than the last time. The last time I used like the color MAC. Oh my gosh, the MAC like shimmer, and I just didn't do it right. Like, we're just not gonna talk about it anymore. Putting that video behind us. It's not even a video. Well, I was just recording right before this, but it's just not good. Okay, that's pretty. Let's continue. It is safe to proceed. Proceed with caution, though. I don't know what to do with my life now. Okay, I'm gonna clean my face because the last makeup bag I used was like this cheap, like the ones you find at like Ross. I think that's where it was from. I don't know, but it did not help. So using the Neutrogena wipes because those work really good. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. If I could find it. I found it. I'm gonna be using the NYX vinyl, I don't know, liquid eyeliner. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make it really thin. This is where it gets serious, guys. No talking. Not to do the other side. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. There, I'm not touching. I'm not touching, I'm not touching, I'm not touching, I'm not touching, I'm not touching. Okay. Now I'm not touching. Okay. It's looking good, guys. Wow. Look at us. Yes. Ew, it's dirty. I'm gonna do my face and then we'll come back to the eyes. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, so I put Stardust from the Sugar Glow Kit on my brow bones. Gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye in the shade Skip, and put that on my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply mascara on lipstick. I'm gonna go in with the shade Ariel from ColourPop. And then the lipstick or lip gloss guppy on top. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day inspired look. It's cute, it's pink, it pops, and it makes your eyes stand out. So yeah, if you guys liked, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.